I'm Sheila.
And I am Beth.
And welcome to another episode of Success Series. This program is powered by Simply Nature International
and Simply Health Medical Group.
We are so blessed today because we are joined by a very inspiring woman who have victoriously surpassed a different type of skin cancer.
Please all welcome Miss Nadine. Miss Nadine, ano po ang kanilang health concern and kailan po kayo na-diagnosed?
I was diagnosed last February 2022. Unknown primary siya. So it took a while, siguro mga I think 2 months before na lumabas sa immunostain na it was melanoma, skin cancer.
Na-diagnose po kayo, ma'am. Ano pong na-feel ng family ninyo, ng husband ninyo?
Yung son-in-law ko, tinawagan niya yung husband ko na, "Pa, balik ka na dito, need ka ni mama." Nalaman ko lang, naiyak ako. Na-touch lang ako. First time daw siya nagda-drive na umiiyak, sabi niya. Tapos nalaman ko din na hindi lang pala nila pinakita sa akin, umiyak din pala sila. So, na-feel ko na na-devastate din sila.
Si Doc Johan din ba ang nag-introduce ng PPARS?
Yes, si Doc Johan ang nag-introduce sa akin ng PPARS. Cancer is not a death sentence, sabi niya. So, syempre for me, parang really. So, syempre nabuhayan yung loob ko. Kasi depressed nga ako eh. Syempre, I want to know how. Tapos sabi ko, "Doc, sige, I'll go to the 10-day program." Sabi na niya agad, "Okay, you better take that PPARS right away." Syempre, dahil wala naman kami knowledge sa PPARS, sinabi ko, "Can you give us an background? Ano ba nagagawa nitong PPARS?" Nakita namin na it's a very good supplement. Na-encourage kami ng husband ko din na i-take ko yun. That's why yun, nag-start na ako. Wala pa yung 10-day siege ko, wala pa yung operation ko. Agad-agad, April pa lang, nag-start na ako ng PPARS. Religiously. Tapos every morning, binibigay ng husband ko, talagang hindi namin minimiss out yung vial na I always take it in the morning and then after 1 hour, saka ako kumakain ng food. And then plus the tablet na I take for 1 year, yung vial for 1 year, tinake ko siya, wala akong na-miss, talagang religiously. And then now, continuous ko na lang yung tablet, which is 2 years ko na siyang tinitake yung tablet for. Ang na-notice ko, lalo na nung matagal ko na siya natitake, gumanda yung skin ko, meron akong matinding allergy na talagang I had to go to the doctor. Pero nung nag-PPARS ako, hindi na sumasakit yung ulo ko. Naka-help yung PPARS, yung sa allergies ko. So one time when I went to have my blood check, the one going to get my blood, sabi sa akin, "Ma'am, anong maintenance mo?" Sabi ko, "Maintenance?" I was thinking pa nga may maintenance ba ako? Actually, may tinitake lang ako yung PPARS, sabi ko. "Ano po yan, food supplement?" Sabi sa akin. Sabi ko, "Yes." Parang point na hindi naman siya maintenance. Tapos sabi niya, "Diabetes? Wala po? High blood?" Sabi sa akin. Sabi ko, "Wala." Parang she was surprised na wala akong tinitake na maintenance. Doc Johan told me, even Doc Jimmy, that I should have a regular PET scan. And then came every 6 months. Dahil second PET scan ko na to na 6 months, sobrang I cried because of joy dahil now na-prove ko na it really works, na I'm so happy na I'm cancer-free. And it's achievement for me kasi it paid off lahat ng mga ginagawa ko. That's why now, mas naging confident ako na talaga ang food is medicine and also it really helps the PPARS that I am taking. Talagang sobrang happy ko and nakatulog na ako ng maayos. Kasi before the PET scan, I couldn't sleep well because I was worried about the result. As of now, I am cancer-free. Naka 5 PET scans ako. Lahat yung PET scan na yun is clear. Inopera yung lymph nodes ko, tinanggal 16 lymph nodes. Doon sa 16, 2 lang yung may cancer. So naisip namin, Kasi bago pa lang ako nagtitake ng PPARS vial and PPARS tablet eh. Pati husband ko sobrang nabilib. Sabi niya, ang galing ng PPARS. Kasi hindi nag-metastasize yung cancer. Na-localize lang siya, hindi siya nag-spread, and then dalawa lang yung cancer na puntahan. I am very religious in monitoring pa din. So I have my regular PET scan, and I'm still on monitoring just to make sure. So I don't neglect that. So it doesn't mean even though I'm cancer-free now, I'll be lax, kumbaga maging kampante. No, before you decide on something regarding your health, you have to be very careful with the doctors you are consulting. Kailangan talaga yung marunong, magaling. Isa yon. And then, secondly, ang personal choice ko talaga is the lifestyle medicine ni Doc Johan and the PPARS. Kasi talagang maganda siya pareho. So, ini-encourage ko yung may mga whatever kind of, kahit hindi cancer, diabetes, heart problem, high cholesterol, malaking factor talaga ang food and PPARS. Nakaka-help talaga siya. For me, in-encourage ko sila na mag-take sila ng PPARS because it really works. We have to have discipline lang for the food that we eat because Doc Johan said food is medicine. You can be well with food and you can get sick with food. So we have our choices.
Thank you once again, Ms. Luke.
Thank you also.